Headphones don't typically have the best bass you can get. Usually you want to feel the bass, and to be able to do that, you need a big speaker to feel the bass.
And usually that requires a lot of power and a cable. Well, today we have something really cool. It's the Skullcandy Crusher Wireless with bass that you can feel, which is really amazing to have in a pair of headphones.
It also has 40 hours of battery life, which again is impressive for a pair of headphones. On the side here you get noise isolation. It's not canceling, it's isolation. So that means it's over-the-ear headphones that have this nice foam surrounding to block out more of the noise. You get stereo haptic bass, telling me it's pretty good. You can feel it. It has a built-in microphone as well, which is good because you can make your phone calls on it. There are Bluetooth controls. You can answer, hang up your calls, change the track, turn the volume up and down. It comes with an audio cable as well for those people who just want the audio cable connected to it.
I'm curious if that makes it sound any better or not, or if it sounds the same over Bluetooth or not.
Yeah,
we'll definitely have to try that out.
A lot of people like wired connections better because they do sound better. That's a good point to bring up. It has a foldable design, so hopefully you can travel with it more easy.
And just like the Skullcandy Crusher headphones that we've done before, this has a switch on it that allows you to adjust how much bass you want to feel.
Well, let's get these things open and see how they compare to the older generation. You got a knife, Tyler?
Yeah. It's got a nice plastic encasing here. I will say, from when I remember Skullcandy, they were, more of a high school kind of thing, and this, looks like the higher end of things nowadays. Like
it definitely
looks high end, good build quality and all that.
Not so much something you get as just a teenager. Oh my gosh, look at that!
It's got a magnetic strip there.
Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh. Okay, it's got some instructions here. It's that easy.
It's pretty much your instructions right there in a super simplistic way. Ooh, and look at this. It even comes with a carrying case.
Wow, and you get the Skullcandy logo on it too.
Yeah.
Hey.
And look at this too. It's got like a felt insert.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Let's see what else is inside the box.
That is incredibly nice.
Yeah.
Oh jeez. This is the accessory box. Accessories.
And we get a quick start guide, which we do not need.
With your accessories, you get the cable, and on one side's colored, and the other side is not.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, that is interesting. Well, one end must go into the headphones themselves. The other end must go into your phone because they have the more prongs. You also get your micro USB to charge the headphones up. And that's all you get inside of here.
And here we have the headphones.
Wow,
Look at that.
and they
Wow,
come
that is
folded
a nice
as well.
compact design.
Yeah. Jeez. Oh my gosh, they look like $1 million.
Yeah, that is a nice finish.
Upholstered everywhere. Ooh. Wow, I mean, it has this nice texture all around it.
Yeah.
It's not just plastic or metal or whatever.
Is really nice. Whoa.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, like for a second you almost think it's metal, but it's actually just plastic.
Yeah, it is really nice. It's got some good weight to it as well.
Yeah, very easy to design too, and then it's got some buttons, control on the base and your charging and aux port. Really simple. And it even looks like the little microphone.
Oh, it does, yeah. Well, let's power these things on and get them connected.
Alright, so we press this button here and turn it on.
Okay.
Looks like it's on. Get our phone, go to Bluetooth. And look at that. Boom, it's right there.
Connect. The light starts flashing blue.
We're connected.
I think we're good to go.
Alright.
Alright, let me try these out. Let's see what you can play for me here, Tyler. Woo! Okay. Take a listen to that. You feel the bass.
I'm in for it, huh?
Yes, you are. Whoa.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that insane?
Dude,
I did not expect that.
That is insane.
It rattled the whole headphones.
Holy crap.
That was some good bass. That's
gosh.
impressive.
It's almost like too much bass.
Almost, isn't it? It is on the max setting.
Yeah.
I did turn it up all the way. I'm a bass head. I needed it up all that. Oh my god.
I think I need to pick a better song for this. Let's see what I can find.
Oh my god, that sounds good. Oh my god, it sounds good. That's just incredible. You feel the headphones holding in your hand.
Yeah, I can feel them vibrating here.
I can almost feel it from here.
Yeah. That is impressive.
That is impressive. You can just... Oh my gosh. Well, in terms of the bass, it excels at that. And they're very comfy. You get incredible bass. And I've never heard bass like that out of headphones.
Yeah. No, never. Ever. Yeah.
These are the only headphones I've ever heard bass like that from. I'm genuinely impressed by that.
How much more do you think they had than the last one?
Oh, 10 times more.
Yeah?
It's no competition. It blows the other ones out of the water.
And that's through Bluetooth.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and hook up that cable.
Yeah,
let's put the
let's
aux
try that
cable in and
cable
see
in.
if it sounds any different.
Not much of a cable length there.
It's not horrible though.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's not
pretty
terrible.
decent.
Okay, I think the color grading goes in here. Although getting that color with your black headphones is
It's kind of interesting.
clashes with it a bit.
Oh, yeah, so it's playing through headphones.
Okay.
Let's turn this up all the way.
I think it sounds just as good.
It definitely sounds like just as good. I don't really hear
I don't
a
notice
difference.
a difference.
Yeah.
No. It's really just your preferred option, having it wired or wireless, or if you have something that isn't wireless enabled with Bluetooth,
You can
you
plug
can
it into
it into it, like the Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, or if you just had an old school iPod or something.
Yeah, exactly. Or your computer at home might not have Bluetooth and just have a headphone jack right there.
Also, when I paused the sound, I could hear like the speaker still moving. Like it was still oscillating in there, but it didn't have any power behind it anymore. It was kind of interesting.
Yeah, that is interesting. But it's really going in there. I mean, it drives. Now, the reason you're able to get that good of bass out of these is because they have separate sub drivers just for the bass, and then there's 2 other drivers for the highs and mids alone. So with that dedicated driver for the bass, you're able to just pump a lot more out of it without having distorted sound.
Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, can't believe they put that many speakers in there.
Yeah, I know. It's just this
And
little
then it
design.
still sounds good with that much bass.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah. I can hear it from here. It's so crazy.
Yeah, you're able to fine tune that to exactly what you want it to sound. Go ahead, try that out.
That is just insane.
It is.
Oh my gosh. I mean, if you really want to listen to the bass, you can turn that switch all the way up and really listen to the bass. And if you don't want to, you can just turn it down some. It's amazing how well it works.
It really is amazing how well it works. It's definitely for bass lovers. I mean, if you're not super into bass, probably get other headphones that don't advertise they are extreme in bass or something.
Even so, these things claim to have a 40-hour battery life. which is pretty impressive for Bluetooth headphones, I think.
It definitely is. It makes you wonder, if you have the bass all the way up, are you really going to get 40 hours out of it? Because that's taking a lot of power.
Yeah, they don't really say that in there, so that's up to people who use it a lot. And if you know, let us know, because we're kind of curious. Because 40 hours is a long time. And I even read that you can charge these things for 10 minutes and get 3 hours of battery life out of them, which is pretty impressive in itself also.
Yeah. So when they die, you can just charge it up for 10 minutes.
And you'll be fine.
Yeah, you'll be fine. And that's the other thing. The Steel series, you were able to swap the battery out in
Yes.
this. And this, it's an enclosed design with the battery. You're not able to take a battery out, pop in a freshly charged one. So you do have the downtime of having to plug in, wait for them to charge. Now, of course, after the end of the day, you can just plug them in and have them charge while you sleep at night.
Yeah. Well, and that 40-hour battery life, I mean, it gives you all day. So as long as you're charging it every night or whatever, you'll be fine with battery life. And these even have Bluetooth 4.2. So when you want to watch like even a show or something, you don't have to worry about that little bit of lag that you get from something that's like 4.1 or lower.
We also have these volume control buttons, and you can answer and hang up your call. So let's go ahead and give these a try.
You can skip forward and backwards too with them.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You probably can. Let's give that a try. Let's see. I'll push the center button to play it. Okay. Turn it down. Turn it up. Let's try a skip.
And you can go back too.
It went back. Okay. And pause. Well, those all worked very well. The only other thing we need to try is a phone call.
Yeah, let's get a phone call.
Here, go ahead. Here's that. All right, I'm going to call you on my watch here.
I'm going to listen to some music while you find me.
Call.
Well, hello, Michael.
Hey, Tyler. I was just wondering how's it going over there?
Oh, it's going pretty good. Getting a little bit of echo there.
Just a little bit of echo. No big deal.
Sounds pretty good.
It does sound pretty good for my watch.
Yeah. Hey, you sound a little bit far away, but like you sound pretty crystal clear.
Good. Okay, now go ahead and hang up.
Bam.
Right back to the music.
What?
Okay, well, all those functions work pretty well and seamlessly. I love the controls. You're able to answer the phone call. You're able to pause the music, turn up the music, skip songs, adjust the bass. You got all those controls.
Right there at your fingertips.
Simple. Yeah, right at your fingertips. And they did all that with 3 buttons.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing itself.
Yes, it is.
If you're a bass head, then these definitely will deliver. But even if you're not, they still are an all-around good pair of headphones. They still sound really good. They have functionality for Bluetooth of calling and watching shows. You can even hook up that aux cable if you want to hook up your computer or other device. So all around, it's a really nice pair of headphones to travel or even use every day.
Especially with that 40 hours of battery life. You could be on a long flight to Paris or wherever, and you know for sure that your headphones aren't going to die halfway through. It's just all around a good designed headphone.
We'll have the link down below in the description, so if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.